There have been a number of reports that much of the food we buy in supermarkets contains significant level of pesticide residues. How would these new European laws improve the safety of our food?
Well, we are now looking at, I think, a very much better situation, because what we will do now is that we will force every European country to make a national plan for how to reduce the level of pesticides. This will mean a lot, of course, because we have different kinds of crops, vegetables, fruits being dealt with, being traded on a European level. Therefore, what goes on in Spain also influences consumers in Germany. What goes on in Germany also influences consumers in Denmark, and so on. That's why we really need a common European legislation on this.
And these proposed European-wide laws would ban some pesticides, but not all pesticides. Why?
No, it's very important to know that we're not looking to ban all pesticides. We are saying we need as much pesticides as necessary, but as little as possible. So what we will do is that we will reduce the level on a broad basis, but then the most dangerous ones, the ones that causes cancer, the ones that are reproduction toxic and all that, we will simply exclude them from the market. They will be cut off. So this is really good also for the industry, actually, because we found a balance that says, okay, we listen to what the agricultural sector wants, what the industry wants, but still environment and health is the most important for us.
And how was the debate? I mean, there is any agreement between the major groups on that?
No, well, this is a very clear evidence, actually, that if you want to support consumer health and if you want to support the environment, then you need to vote Socialist, because we are the ones really fighting this fight in cooperation with the Greens and the left wing of the parliament. The right wing has been split. Now, it's good that they were split, because that meant that we could actually get through a very good legislation now. But it also shows that very large parts of especially the EPP voted for very less strict rules than we wanted. One of the things that they unfortunately managed to get out of legislation was a 20% reduction target on EU level. This is something that the right wing of the parliament has now rejected. This is something that's harmful to the environment. So this shows there's really a big difference between the left side and the right side of the parliament on this.
So are you happy for the results that we have today or not?
In general, I'm very happy. Our line won, meaning that we now have a very good balance that will secure environment and health, but that is also fair to the industry and agriculture. On the other hand, I'm disappointed that the result wasn't even better. It could have been if the EPP hadn't voted against.